dumating ka.
Ika pa lang man yung lupan eh. Nagkaroon ka pa yung drawing. Ah, buto po mina. Siya po ang salarin.
Okay, so later,
Kung bakit maraming pera
the final exam for
sulat.
OJT, we will be having the initial and final interview. And in corporate or business attire, depende sa schedule na ibibigay. Yes, kasama naman, kasabay naman.
Uy!
Kasabay ng
Daddy.